Yeah, so you can start to see how when you start building training plans and you start talking numbers, how long things can start to take. Because what you also have to, for example, if we would go for this and say we do one trainer, because that's all the budget we have, and so we're going to do this is 40 days. Say we manage to get everybody through those 40 days. At the end of those 40 days, so at the end of the 2 months, those people that are trained at the beginning probably have forgotten what we trained them. And especially if this is things like big implementations, go live, they don't do anything with Salesforce in between, they will have forgotten what they did 2 months ago. I mean, I forgot what I did 2 months ago. I mean, there's so much going on. You give me a day training, I might not know 2 months later what I exactly did in that training. Yeah? And so that means that you have to figure out, can we make that shorter? Can we use more trainers? Can we reduce the time that we need training? Now, if you can't reduce the time and you can't use more trainers, you have to start thinking about, can we use any other options, any other materials that we have to make sure that people keep using it?